Gorilla Tag is more enjoyable with mods, therefore we've created this tutorial to explain various mods and how you can enjoy them. As we know, mods are additional data that could be integrated into video games to give them a modernized appearance and functionality. They are created for more freedom and for changes that are often produced by gaming groups to improve or alter the gameplay. So without further ado, let's proceed directly to the video and explore all of them. Number 1. Platforms. So the very first mod we got going in our list is platforms. If you want to slip past the game with minimum effort and maximum entertainment, this mod got you covered. They are excellent for, cheating, tackling, and such. With this mod in your hand, there is no need for you to climb walls. Simply jump and you'll stick to the wall, all while covering long distance. Number 2. RGB Stump. Playing any game with same outfit kinda gets boring, which is why this next mod is going to help you with that. But a bit of twist in it. Instead of changing your clothes, it will change your skin color. You see, gorillas don't wear clothes, so the concept of changing the skin color seems to suit your character. Just like in any other game, you need a wardrobe to change your clothes. In Gorilla Tag, changing your skin color with RGB mod only works when you are at the stump. And with that mod, you go full RGB gorilla. It makes you glow, and it's easy to frighten people and have fun. Number 3. Speed Boost. Sometimes it gets kinda slow and drowsy to go around the game, which is why up next, we have a speed boost. Well, technically, by the name itself, you guys got a pretty much idea of what this is about. This mod simply speeds you up significantly. It is really very helpful when you want to go Godspeed and explore large areas of the game. The good thing about it is that it doesn't increase your overall gameplay experience. Instead, it increases the speed of your character only. Wondering how to cover a lot of grounds in a go? This mod got you covered. Number 4. Moonwalk. Definitely not the moonwalk of Michael Jackson, but yeah, it's more about low gravity. Running through entire game can be pretty exhausting, which is why if you want to have some fun, why not try jumping? And when it comes to test your jump abilities, Moonwalk is the mod you should go for. Unlike Speed Boost, it lets you jump a little higher in altitude. When this mod is turned on, you are no less than astronaut in Moon. Quite cool, isn't it? Number 5. Turn off Tag Freeze. Next on our list, we have the mod to disable Tag Freeze. We are no longer in an infectious lobby, but when you are tagged, you cannot generally move properly and slowly crawl around your way up. However, when you are untagged, you can simply continue to travel normally. And this mod allows you to do it and thus is called as Tag Freeze. Number 6. Checkpoint. Okay, the next mod is Checkpoint. Now, to be honest, I find this mod to be quite cool and also distinctive. If you place a checkpoint anywhere in the game, this mod will transfer you directly there without any hassle. Don't believe me? Do give it a try. To teleport, you'll need to push the trigger on your controller, and voila! You have successfully teleported. Number 7. Sticky Platforms. Okay, so for the next mod, we'll be investigating sticky platforms. Now, these platforms resemble something oval and are sticky, and they will come out of your hands. For this mod to work, you need to place it in someone's body. Once attached, they won't be able to move. They will remain stuck, and I'm pretty sure they won't be able to do anything. Number 8. Jupiter Walk. The next mod we got on our list is the Jupiter Walk. Due to the fact that Jupiter is far larger than Earth, it possesses a greater gravitational mass, or whatever you name it. Hence, it is quite likely that this will occur here in this game. With big size, you can cover large areas more quickly. But here, instead of increasing size, it lets you walk fast and swiftly. Simply said, it allows you to move more quickly compared to other players in the game. Number 9. Slide Control. Now I'm fairly certain that this is mountain specific, so for this mod to work, you need to get up the mountains. In Gorilla Tag, mountains are white and gorgeous, and they are present almost everywhere. Once you're up the mountains, you can try the Slide mod. This mod is more precisely known as Sliding Control. And with this, I'm very certain this gives you permission to go crazy on the ice. It's like having complete command over the slide. You can do a full 180 to 360 turnaround, and enjoy the view with more fun and pleasure. It is excellent for a map of mountains because it works so nicely out there. Moreover, getting up is as simple as going down and moving down a path. And once you're done, you can return to the forest to continue your further gameplay and exploration. Number 10. Grip Monkey. This mod lets you crawl or climb up the walls, which are more slippery than the others. Without this mod, it is surely gonna take a heck amount of time to get up there. But with Grip Monkey, you can simply go and probably get up in a minute without a thought of struggling your way up. Enjoying it this far, why not hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon for notifications so that you never miss any of our future uploaded videos. Let's get back to the video. Number 11. Ghost Cam. On number 11, we have the Ghost Cam. This mod lets your character to pause and be still while you become a spectator. It will let you scan entire area, and you can even look at your own character from a third perspective. Not only you, but you can see everyone's character. You're basically a camera instead of a character. That's it. If you ever want to take a pause and explore the area faster, all without moving your character, Ghost Cam will definitely help you out. Number 12. Go Invisible. The best thing about any game is that if you can go invisible and do anything without getting caught or getting noticed. If you simply trigger this mod, you'll become completely invisible. The other players won't have any idea about your whereabouts and don't know how to find you either. Wondering to play Invisible Man? Do give Go Invisible mod a shot. Number 13. X-Ray. As the name suggests, this mod lets you see other players through walls or trees. Not much to talk about this one, but it is surely cool, and if you're someone who prefers stealth gameplay, this mod will definitely come in handy. Number 14. Trigger Platforms. The next mod on our list is Trigger Platforms. These are extremely useful when it comes to climbing up or down. When turned on, this mod will appear every time you take a step. For example, whenever you are climbing, every time you arm crawl up, a platform will appear. It will seem like you are holding onto it. Now, these platforms are extremely nice on the index controllers. However, it is kind of difficult to press down and grasp. Though it's not that really tough, but there isn't really a trigger to pull, so there's some frustration involved. It's almost like a complete package. Number 15. Strobe Stump. Next we have Strobe Stump. This mod is very pleasant and quite similar to RGB. It also needs you to be at the stump for this mod to get activated. Once activated, it will strobe your RGB skin color. It becomes very flashy and give you an environment as if you are in disco. However, if you are someone who has epilepsy or something similar to it, I suggest you stay far away from this mod, as this is not going to be pleasant for you at all. But for those of you who loves flashy lights other stuff, this mod will work like a charm. So if you're desiring to take your Gorilla Tag game on a whole new level, you better get this mod going, because it's gonna be one amazing ride. Have you tried any of these mods before? If yes, do let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching everyone, and before you go, don't forget to check our other videos as well, as you might get to know something even more amazing.